Yes.
So as I was telling that we are having the coordinate axis like this, and in terms of radian, this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. Now, before starting, we need to discuss one rule, that if we are having cos of minus theta, that is same as a cos theta. Okay, I can show you the result as well, that if you will calculate cos of let's say minus 90 degree, it will show you the same answer which is for cos 90 degree. That is, what is the value for cos 90, Miraj?
0. 0.
Okay, so cos of negative theta and cos theta will give you always same result, same. Okay, negative
Yes.
sign will get absorbed. Even if you will take minus of any angle 60 or maybe minus 30 or maybe minus whatever you will take, even if you will take cos of minus 30, this will give you the same answer which is for cos 30. That is
1.
cos 30 is 1. Root 3 by 2.
It's 1 upon 2. Sorry. No,
1
root
upon
3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2.
Okay, so you will find that both are generating the same result, but that doesn't happen with all the other trigonometric ratio. Okay, it just happens with cos and sec, because this cos and sec are related with each other, both are reciprocal of each other, right?
Yes.
So in case you will be having sec of minus theta, you will find that it is same as a sec theta. Okay, secant. Similarly,
Yes.
in case we are having the other trigonometric ratio, this is about cos. If we are having other trigonometric ratio, maybe sine of minus theta. Now this will not be same as a sine theta. This will be same as minus of sine theta. For example, if you will take sine of minus 30 degree, okay, it will show you the answer as a minus of 1 by 2. That means
Uh,
it will take
yes.
minus out and then will give you the sine 30 answer. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Same happen with any angle. Similarly, if we are having the reciprocal of sine, that is cosec, if we will take cosec of minus theta, that will also just give it back. The minus sign will come in front and then cosec theta value it will show you. That means minus cosec theta. And same happens
Oh,
with tan and cot as well. Tan of minus theta is also minus tan theta, and cot of
okay.
minus theta is also minus cot theta. So what we need to keep in mind, that for all the other trigonometric ratio, okay, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, but if we are having cos of minus theta, it is just cos theta. Making sense?
Yes.
Okay, so if you understood this part, then yesterday I was explaining you that from the y-axis, if you are having pi by 2 plus theta or maybe 3 pi by 2 plus theta, okay, your trigonometric ratio will change. So let's write the rule first and then we will be using the rule. So the rule says that here pi by 2 is there, here 3 pi by 2 is there. If while doing the conversion, we call it conversion, that means the trigonometric ratio angle is just a specific angle we are having, or and maybe the trigonometric ratio is getting converted or maybe not. Let's see. So if we are having sine of pi by 2 plus theta, that is same as a, this sign will get converted. Okay, if pi by 2 plus we are having or maybe pi by 2 minus you will be having, your sine function will change to cos function. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, now pi by 2 plus, that means second quadrant, right, Miraj?
Yes.
In second quadrant, this sign will generate a positive output. Okay, as yesterday
Yes.
you were saying, all sine tan cos, right?
Yes.
Similarly, if we are having sine pi by 2, or maybe if we are having cos pi by 2 plus theta, first of all, we will see this pi by 2. This pi by 2. This means the trigonometric ratio will change. Okay, and it will be cos will change to sine. But we also have to be careful with the symbol. So in second quadrant, cos will generate a negative output. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Now how you will use it? So in case you are having the question or maybe the example like this, that I'm showing you in degree, because students are more comfortable with degree than radian. So first I'm showing you in degree. So suppose we are having cos of 150 degree. Okay, do we know the value for 150? No. How can we find the value? Let's find it. Let's write it as a cos of 90 plus 60 degree. Can we write it this way?
Yes.
150? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Now we have a formula that cos pi by 2 plus theta is minus sine theta. Okay.
Yes.
So pi by 2 is nothing but just 90 degree. So 90 plus theta is just sine theta. Okay, that too minus sine theta. So minus sine 60 degree. Yesterday also I was telling you, given the condition that this has to be acute. So you can say 60. Yes, we are having acute, right?
Yes.
Okay, so minus sine 60. Now it became really simple for us to write sine 60 value, that is root 3 by 2. And yeah, minus sign is there. So we obtained the answer for this one. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Okay, it's that simple. For that particular reason only, for calculating the value like this, we are learning the rule like this. Are we learning the rule? No, we are learning the logic and we will create the rule by ourselves. So the logic says that if on y-axis you can see pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. In case you are having pi by 2 plus theta, or maybe pi by 2 minus theta, or maybe 3 pi by 2 plus theta, or maybe 3 pi by 2 minus theta, your trigonometric ratio will get converted. Trigonometric ratio converted means what? Means sine will convert it to cos, cos will convert to sine, tan will convert to cot, cot will convert to tan, cosec will convert to sec, and sec will convert to cosec. Let's do few more example, okay, without even writing the rule. Suppose we are having, let's say we are having tan, okay, tan, let's say 300 degree. Okay, and we have to write the answer for the same. Do we know how to find the answer? No. Then how we'll find the answer? So we can write it tan of 270 plus 30 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
And do you know this 270 is same as a 3 pi by 2?
Yes.
So just now I was telling you that tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta, the result will be trigonometric ratio will change. Why? Because 3 pi by 2 is there. Okay. So tan will convert to cot theta. And yeah, we also have to be careful with the symbol. Is it plus cot or minus cot? So we will check the quadrant. Here 3 pi by 2 is there. 3 pi by 2 plus means fourth quadrant. Right, Miraj?
Yes.
Okay, in fourth quadrant, this tan will generate positive answer or negative answer.
Okay.
In fourth quadrant, tan is negative, right? Cos is positive, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it will generate a negative answer. Making sense?
Yes.
Okay, so we are learning how to create the formula by ourselves. Two things you have to keep in mind while creating the formula. If you are having pi by 2 plus theta with sine, with cos, with tan, with cosec, with sec. If pi by 2 plus theta you are having, your trigonometric ratio will change. How it will change? You understand. Sine will change to cos. Okay, sine will change to cos. Cos will change to sine. Tan will change to cot. Cot will change to tan. Okay, sec will change to cosec. And okay, vice versa. Making sense?
Yes.
Okay, and the same goes for pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Now, if we are done with converting the trigonometric ratio according to the given angle, then we also have to check the symbol. Okay, symbol means what? So let's write the rule first. You will be telling me the symbol first. Okay, let's write the rule. I'm going to make the list of the rule. So first, sine pi by 2 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta, tan pi by 2 minus theta, cot pi by 2 minus theta, then sec pi by 2 minus theta, and cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, let's write the answer so that we can solve the questions. Sine pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 is involved, trigonometric ratio will change. Making sense?
Yes.
Sine will change to cos. Are we done? No. Then what we have to do? The symbol we have to check. Pi by 2 minus theta means first quadrant. First quadrant. In first quadrant, sine will generate positive answer or negative. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratio will generate positive answer. Yes or
Positive.
no?
Yes.
So this will be positive. Okay. Here also, whatever it will generate, it will be positive because all trigonometric ratio generate positive answer in the first quadrant. Okay. Now let's write the quickly rules that if we are having pi by 2 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta, cos will change. Why? Due to this pi by 2. Okay. We will not try thinking from where it came. From where it came. We will try learning the formula, and then the uses of the formula is more important, that how to use this formula. Okay. So cos will get converted to sine. Tan will convert to cot. Cot will convert to tan. Sec will convert to
Yes.
cosec, and cosec will convert to sec. Is it making sense, Miraj?
Yes.
The next part, sine pi by 2 plus theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta, tan pi by 2 plus theta, cot pi by 2 plus theta, cosec pi by 2 plus theta, sec pi by 2 plus theta. Now, the first thing first, the moment I'm noticing this pi by 2, I understand the trigonometric ratio will get converted. That means sine will convert to cos. But we also
Yes.
have to be careful with the symbol. Okay, so pi by 2 plus, that means which quadrant? Miraj,
First quadrant.
can you please repeat?
Pi by 2 plus theta.
Yes.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant, sine will generate positive or negative.
It will generate cos.
In second, sine is
Uh,
positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So here the result will be positive. For this sine, we are not looking at this cos. Okay, we are looking at this sine. Making sense?
Yes.
Let's do the next one. Pi by 2 plus, trigonometric ratio will change. Cos will convert to sine. Okay. Now,
Negative.
yeah, it will be negative. Similarly, tan pi by 2 plus theta, tan will convert to cot. Positive or negative, Miraj?
Uh, Negative.
Negative. Cot will convert to tan. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Cosec will convert to sec. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Second quadrant, sine is positive, cosec is also positive, yes or no?
Oh, yes, this will be positive.
Okay, and sec will get converted to cosec,
Yes,
positive or negative?
negative.
Perfect. Okay, if you got it, let's solve few questions so that you'll be confident with this one at least. So if we are having tan, please tell me the answer. Just a moment. Yes, Miraj, are you able to do it? Let's do it.
Yes,
Tan 135 can be written as tan 90 plus
90 plus 45.
45. Okay, 90 plus theta. Just now we have learned the rule. Tan pi by 2 plus theta is cot theta. Positive
Yes,
or negative? Negative. Yes or no?
yes,
Then the answer is -1. Is it making sense?
yes,
Okay. Similarly, cot 150 is cot 90 plus 60.
yes.
That means cot 90 plus theta is tan. Trigonometric
Tan.
ratio will get converted. Okay. Positive or negative? Of course, negative. Right?
Yes,
Tan 60 values.
tan 60 is equal to 1 minute.
Tan 60 is 1. No. Is it
No, no, 1 minute.
is it root 3 or what? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it is root 3 for tan, yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
root 3, yes.
just root 3. So minus root 3 is the answer. Making sense, Miraj?
Yes,
Sine 120. Please find the value. Are you able to find Miraj? Sine 120.
yes,
What
yes,
is
ma'am.
that?
Minus root 3 upon 2.
Let's check it. So it can be taken as 90 plus 30. Sine 90 plus theta will be cos theta. Okay, plus or minus? Of course, plus because sine is there. second quadrant, it will generate positive. Yes or no?
Yes.
So plus root 3 by 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do the last one. 135 means 90 plus
90 plus 45.
90 plus theta. Cosec will change to sec. Positive or negative?
Yes. Negative.
Second quadrant, cosec will generate positive answer or negative answer?
Uh, yes.
Yeah. Will it be positive or negative, Miraj? Second
Will be
quadrant,
positive.
positive. Okay. And hence sec 45-degree value is?
I have to calculate it. Like,
Okay. Sec 45-degree is the reverse, just the reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2.
yes.
This is the reciprocal of that. That is just root 2, right?
Root 2. Yes.
Clear?
Yes. But like, why is, can you scroll up a bit?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Just
A bit more up. Yes. Thank you. Why is sine 90 plus 30 degrees is equal to plus cos 30 degrees?
just now we have
Wo-
learned a rule, no? Just now we have learned a rule that sine pi by 2 plus theta.
No,
Actually,
like why are we using why are we putting plus sign?
why we?
Putting plus sign
This
for cos
positive,
30 degrees.
this one,
Yes, why is that positive?
because second quadrant, this is 90. 90 plus theta is second quadrant, right?
Yes.
In second quadrant, sine is positive and cosec is positive, right?
Okay, okay. Yeah, I was looking at the cos, so I got confused.
No. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Okay, so let's continue. This way we are having few more conversion. I have just shown you a part of it. Okay, you studied the certain set of question which you have got in that question paper. All were related with these conversion. Actually, the whole story starts from here. Okay, this is the basic, and then we will just discuss few more concepts from here. Then you will be able to understand those questions as well. So, one more question. If in case we are having sine of minus 60 degree, and if we have to calculate it till class 10 you have not learned minus of any angle and all, but in class 11 you learned that angle can be negative. Okay, and just now when I started the class I have told you the sine of minus theta is same as minus sine theta. Okay, only cos and sec will just absorb the negative sign, right?
yes,
Okay, so it will be same as minus sine 60, making sense?
yes,
And sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So the value for sine minus 60 will be minus root 3 by 2. Making sense, Miraj?
yes,
In case we are having cos of minus 30 degree, okay, what we'll do? We'll say that cos of minus theta is just cos theta, right?
yes, yes,
And that means the result will be just root 3 by 2. Clear?
yes,
Okay, so today I have explained you same goes with 3 pi by 2 plus theta and 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So quick, I am writing the rule. And after that I am explaining the next part. So similarly, just like pi by 2 plus theta, you will be having, so if you are having 3 pi by 2 minus theta, okay, cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, I am just showing with this two, and same goes for the other trigonometric ratio. Okay, tan 3 pi by 2
Oh,
minus theta, if we are having, then sine will get converted. Why? Because this 3 pi by 2 we are having, which was located on the y axis. Okay, so sine will again get converted to cos theta. But again the same. Will it be positive cos or negative cos? So we need to just recall that here is 0, here is pi by 2 radian, here is pi radian, here is 3 pi by 2 radian. If we are talking about 3 pi by 2 minus theta, then which quadrant it is, Miraj?
first quadrant.
Third. In third, sine is positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes. We are
Cos
talking
negative.
about the first quadrant, right? The first.
Third 3 pi by 2 minus, that means just
Oh,
before
okay,
3.
okay. 3 pi by 2, right? Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
here cos 3 pi by 2 minus, with 3 pi by 2 the trigonometric ratio will change, that means cos will change to sine. Okay,
Yes.
now third quadrant, cos will generate, of course, negative, because in third quadrant only tan is positive, right?
Yes.
Okay, tan and cot. So tan 3 pi by 2 minus, tan will get converted to cot, and it will be positive this time. Making sense?
Yes.
Similarly, if we are having another set of rule, the same rule goes for cosec and sec as well. And okay, the same rule is valid for cot, cosec, and sec. Okay, we have to check. Cot will get converted to tan. Which quadrant? Third. In third, cot will be positive. Clear?
Yes.
Cosec will get converted to sec. In third quadrant, cosec will generate negative result. Okay, and sec will get converted to cosec. Same 3 pi by
Yes.
2 minus theta will be having over here, and it will be negative. Similarly, we are having
Okay.
this rule for sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta as well. If you are thinking, why not I am giving you all the formulas in one go? So actually it is not possible for you also and for me as well to give all the formulas in one go, because symbol is important. I cannot say that sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta or maybe sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta is just cos theta. I cannot say, because quadrant is important and accordingly we are choosing the symbol. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Because this time if I am talking about 3 pi by 2 plus theta, are you getting, Miraj, that I am talking about the fourth quadrant this time, not the third quadrant?
Yes.
So yeah,
Because
sine
3
will
pi
get,
by 2 is 270 degrees. So 270 degrees plus something will be in the fourth quadrant, obviously.
yeah. And in fourth quadrant, sine is negative, right?
Yes.
We are looking at this one, the input. Okay, this one, the left side. And accordingly, we are deciding the sign on the right side. Okay, on right
Yes.
side, whatever we are getting, that is not responsible for the positive or negative sign. If we are having cos of 3 pi by 2 plus theta, so with 3 pi by 2, cos will change to sine. Now the symbol, will it be positive or negative? So fourth quadrant, cos will give positive. Making sense?
Yes.
And that's the reason we don't discuss all the formulas in one go. So far, any confusion, Miraj?
No, ma'am.
So in case we are having tan to 40 degree or maybe sine to 25 degree, let's do the calculation. It looks like it's closer to 270. Okay, so maybe we will be taking tan 270 minus 30 degree. Making sense?
Yes.
And just now we have seen the rule, yeah, in terms of radian, because class 12 is in every possible way, it is trying to make you comfortable with the radian from class 11 itself. Okay, just think about the angle in radian. Even the question in your book, all the most of the question given in pi, in terms of pi, that means radian. So At first, let's get familiar with these things, then we will be taking the radians and all. So 3 pi by 2 minus theta, that means the trigonometric ratio will change. Tan will convert it to cot theta. Okay, now the plus cot or minus cot. So 3 pi by 2 minus, that means 270 minus, that means third quadrant. In third quadrant,
Yes, third quadrant.
cot
Uh,
tan will generate.
all sine tan, positive value.
Clear?
Yes,
And hence the value, the answer. Cot 30 will be cos 30 by sine 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So plus root 3, right?
yes.
Can you calculate the next one, Miraj? Sine 225.
Okay.
Are you able to calculate 225-degree, Miraj?
Yes.
We'll be taking sine 270 minus what?
Plus minus 45 degrees.
Minus 45-degree. Okay, 270 minus sine will get converted to cos 45. Now the confusion is plus or minus. So third quadrant. Okay, here
Yes,
is 270, third quadrant. In third quadrant, this sign will generate a negative answer, right?
yes,
And hence cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2, right?
yes,
This one, cos 240, we can write it as a cos 270 minus 30. Okay, that means it will be
yes,
sine 30 plus or minus, of course, minus because third quadrant. Okay, and it will be minus 1 by 2. Clear?
yes,
Similarly, tan 210 can be written as tan 270 minus 60. Okay,
yes,
tan will get converted to cot because 270 is there. But the sign
yes,
will be positive or negative. Third quadrant, tan will generate positive result. Okay, now cot 60, we can write the answer. It's 1 by root 3. Clear?
yes.
Okay, so far any confusion, Miraj?
No.
Then we are having few more angles which I'm showing you now. So you are now comfortable with pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Two things we have to keep in mind. That is, the conversion will occur. That means trigonometric ratio will change. And we also have to understand the sign will be positive or negative according to the quadrant. Now we are also having 0 and pi. Okay, 0 I am keeping aside for now. Let's focus on pi. So in case we are having sine pi plus theta, okay, let's take first pi minus theta, sine pi minus theta, or maybe cos pi minus theta, or maybe tan pi minus theta, or maybe cot pi minus theta. That means 180 minus theta I'm talking about, or maybe
Yes.
cosec pi minus theta, or maybe sec pi minus theta. In case we are having this way, the angle, it is just same as sine theta. That means trigonometric ratio will not change. Yes, it will not change. This is another set of rule, and hence we are discussing it after clearing all those rules, the previous one. Okay, sine pi minus theta is same as just sine theta. On x-axis, whatever angles we are having, that 0 and here pi, with that our trigonometric ratio doesn't change.
Ratio will
That
not
means,
change.
yeah, sign will remain sign only. But yeah, here also we have to be specific with the symbol. I mean the plus sign or minus sign. So we will check pi minus theta. That means the second quadrant. In second quadrant, this sign will generate positive answer. Making sense?
Yes.
So here we don't have to transform anything. Okay, transformation doesn't occur. Cos will remain cos only. Okay, but the sign.
Yes.
So second quadrant, it will generate negative answer. Tan will remain tan only, but the sign, okay, it will generate negative answer. Cot will remain cot only, but the sign, it will generate negative answer. Cos will remain, I mean cosec will remain cosec only, but the sign, it will generate positive or negative, Miraj?
Uh, no, positive.
Positive, okay, because in
Because
second
the second
quadrant,
quadrant, yes, sine
yeah,
and cosec are positive. Positive.
exactly. And sec pi minus theta, it will be just sec theta, negative sec theta. Clear so far?
Yes.
Okay. Are we learning this rule? No. We are understanding how to make the rule. Because learning these many rules is not possible for anybody. Okay.
Yes.
Now sine pi plus theta if we are having, or maybe cos pi plus theta if we are having, or maybe tan pi plus theta if we are having, or maybe cot pi plus theta if we are having, or maybe cosec pi plus theta if we are having, or maybe sec pi plus theta we are having. Again, the trigonometric ratio will not get converted. Sine will remain sine itself. Cos will remain
Yes.
cos itself. But the symbol. So pi plus means third quadrant, right, Miraj?
Yes.
In third quadrant, sine will generate negative answer, right?
Yes.
Okay, cos will generate negative answer. Okay, tan will remain tan itself. In third quadrant, tan will generate tan will
Positive
generate
answer.
positive answer. Okay, in third quadrant, cot will remain cot itself, but cot will generate third quadrant
Pos- Positive
positive
answer.
answer. Okay, similarly, cosec will generate positive answer over here. Oh, sorry, third quadrant we are talking. So it will generate just
Generate a
minus.
negative answer.
Exactly, perfect. Okay, sec will generate negative. Any confusion so far, Miraj?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the rule. Let's do few conversion now. In case we are having sine 225, okay, two things coming in our mind, Miraj, that maybe we can write it as a sine of 270 minus what?
Yes.
45?
Yes. 45.
Okay, and that we have already had the discussion that says that just change the trigonometric ratio. When you will see 270, that is 3 pi by 2, your sign will get converted to cos, right? Cos 45.
Yes.
Okay, positive or negative? Just a moment. So cos 45
It will minus cos 45.
minus cos 45. Okay, so it will be minus 1 by root 2. According to this, okay, one of the method to find the value is this one, and another method is we could also have taken the 180 formula. Okay, so 180 plus 45 we could have taken, yes or no, Miraj?
Yes.
If 180 plus we will take, then sine 180 plus theta will be just sine theta. Positive or negative? 180 plus, that means third quadrant. Okay, that means negative, right?
Yes.
And our answer is still remains same. So I have given this question in the class, and one of your friend did this way and you did this way. I will correct both of them and will give the full marks for both of them. Making sense?
Okay. Yes.
So these are two different way to do the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, now you sometime you will see both way it's not working, only one of the way will work, and sometime you will find that both are working. So maybe if I am taking in terms of radian, let me take, suppose I am taking let's say I'm taking tan of 5 pi by 4. Okay, and recall last day I was explaining you something, that whenever you are having this type of improper fraction, 5 by
Yes.
4 is improper, right? Division is possible,
Yes.
right? Then do the division
Yes.
and convert it in mixed fraction. So 4 1 times 4, 1. You can write it as a 1 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 doesn't mean 1 into 1 by 4. This means 1 plus
Yes.
1 by 4, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if pi is there, so we'll be writing pi plus pi by 4. Making sense?
Yes.
And does it
So why
looks like
don't we
pi?
just write it as 1 plus 1 upon 4? Why do we write it as 1 into 1 upon 4? Like
It's not
it
into.
looks as if
Okay,
we are multiplying it.
in lower class in fraction chapter, it is clearly written, okay, that this is not into. Don't think it as a into. Okay, that's why when you
No,
convert
no, I'm
it,
not saying that. I'm saying that it looks like into, but it's not
into.
into. Like
Exactly. Okay, this is just a way of writing it. Okay, this way is introduced by our mathematician and accepted throughout the world. So this way we write it, and while converting in improper fraction we do the same thing. 5 2 times 10 plus 3, right? 5 2 times 10 plus 3. So even if you will do
yes,
the basic addition, you will be doing the same thing. Okay, the LCM is 5 10 plus 3, right? Which we do directly. 5 2 times 10 plus 3 is 13 by 5, right?
yes,
Okay, so yeah, it's confusing, but it is what it is. We are introduced with this one that we will be writing it like this only. So we all are following the same general math form, standard form to represent it. So we can write it as a
yes,
pi plus pi by 4, right?
yes,
And just now we have seen the rule that 180 plus theta or maybe pi plus theta will not change the trigonometric ratio. Tan will remain tan itself. Okay, and with pi plus which quadrant? So third quadrant. Tan will give positive or negative, so positive. So can you see the answer is plus 1, Miraj?
yes,
Is it making sense how we are calculating, how we are shifting towards the angle in radian? Can you see?
yes,
Okay, Is the steps clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, Miraj, today I'm keeping this much over here. Okay, we will be continuing and I'll show you